This is Eric Hansen, and I'm a product manager with MemSQL. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you an incredible performance breakthrough that we've achieved with MemSQL 6.0 on the latest Intel servers using Skylake chips. So I've created a synthetic data set that contains 57 plus billion rows of data. So just to show you the count, let me run this query. So that's 57.75 billion rows in a single table. And again, to recap the hardware, we're using 8 Leaf servers running 56 cores each. There are 2 chips each. Each chip has 28 cores. And these are the latest Skylake chips. So I've got a query here to find the top 10 most traded stocks of all time. So you see that it's grouping by stock symbol and counting up the total trades, ordering by the count, and then giving the top 10 with this limit clause. So let's run that. Okay, it took 0.06 of a second, but to get a little more accurate number about how long that query takes, I'm going to run that query 100 times in a loop by calling this stored procedure I wrote, which runs that query. So let me run that. And now you see that it took 5.25 seconds, so we divide by 100, and I've got another query here. Let's update that number. So this is going to tell us the total rows per second. Look at that, 1.1 trillion rows per second. So this query is actually spending time on every single row. The result is not pre-calculated, so it is spending time on every single row, and we're using vectorized operations on encoded data. And I don't have time to get into the details of how that works here, but if you're interested, take a look at the MemSQL documentation about operations on encoded data in MemSQL 6.0. So this is an incredible breakthrough with MemSQL, in very, very fast query performance at a very economical price in terms of the amount of hardware that's required in order to make it work, and the software license cost compared to some alternatives that are out there in the market. So please download MemSQL and give it a try. Thank you.